Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on Linux command. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the exit command in Linux. This simple command is incredibly powerful, especially for system administrator or a developer working on any Linux distribution. Whether you are scripting, managing process or a debugging, understanding exit is essential. Let's get started. Let's see the manual page for the exit command. What is exit command? Exit command in Linux is used to terminate a shell session or a script and return a status code to a parent process. This status code plays a crucial role in determining the success or a failure of the executed command. This is a basic syntax: exit space n. Here n is the optional exit code, a numerical value ranging from 0 to 25. Exit code 0 indicates successful execution, and non-zero exit code indicates various errors or a issue. For example, 1 is a general error and other number are used for more specific failures like permission denied or a command not found. Real life use case. Let's say you are logged into a remote server via SSH and want to end this session. Just simply type exit. Your session will get terminated. This will terminate your session and return you to the local machine. I have taken the SSH access of my Rocky Linux, which is running on a virtual box. Let me reconnect it once again. Let's see the another scenario. In shell scripting, the exit command is often used to communicate success or failure to the script caller. For example, I have created a script backup sample script backup.sh or backup script.sh. Let's see the content of backup script. Here I used exit 0 and exit 1. If the cp command succeed, the script exits with 0, indicating the success. If it fails, the script exits with 1 value, signaling an error. So let's run this. So here you can see cp-r not specified. We are getting a omitting directories like /important/data. Backup failed because the permission. We can check why it has failed. So we have received a value 1. If this script has been successfully executed, we have received a value 0. Sudo backup script. Here also we received this error. Let's see if we have this directory. Intentionally we created this directory with a root permission and running this with a non-root user. So this is the thing. The user is root and the group is also root. So this is the one case where we have failed the script to execute and we received the error permission issue, and also we check echo $, the value returns to 1. This is what, if the value returns to 1, it indicates signaling an error. If indicates 0, if if we returns with 0, it indicates a success. So let's see the another scenario, like custom exit code can make a debugging easier in a complex script. For example, let's see, I have a script network as I have the script. This is the script. Here an exit code of 2 clearly indicates a specific network related failures. So let's run this script. Internet connection is up. So here the script has successfully executed. So when we check echo dollar question mark, you will return a 0 value. 0 means the previous command has been successfully executed. The exit command does not have a traditional option like many Linux commands, but the n argument can seen has its primary configuration features. Without n, if you run exit without a code, it used to exit the status of the last executed command. For example, if I run ls, assume this non-existing directory, if I run this, here you can see there is no such file or directory. If the ls command fails, exits with a return a non-zero state. Let's check. The value is 2. With n means a number, here we received a 2. Using a specific exit code helps to clarify the outcome of the script, especially when integrating with the CI/CD pipeline or monitoring a system. After running the command, you can check its exit code with dollar question mark. The variable you will receive 0. If you receive 0, it is successful. If it is non-zero, the command failed. In this script, avoid accidentally terminating the entire shell with exit in loops. Instead, use break or continue for a loop control. For example, let's see one example. This is the example. Here you can see, here in this script, we have used continue instead of exit. To avoid accidentally terminating the entire shell with exit in loop, we use continue for loop control. Like this, you can use it. Best practice is to avoid using exit in a source script. If you use exit in a script source with a source or dot command, it will terminate the parent shell. Instead use return. That will be the best practice. Always document exit codes in a script. This improves the readability and make debugging easier for other users. That's it for today's deep dive into the exit command in Linux. It's a small but meaty tool that ensures smooth shell session and robust scripting practice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Linux and DevOps tutorials. Thanks for watching.